Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is May 8th, 2025, and we're going to be taking a look at Tesla, ticker symbol Tesla. First, let's catch up on the latest news and current events surrounding Tesla. Recent reports indicate a mixed bag for Tesla. European sales data is showing weakness, with sales in Germany falling 46%. Additionally, China-made EV sales are down 6% year-over-year in April. Jim Cramer recently commented on reports of the Tesla board searching for Elon Musk's replacement, adding more uncertainty. However, Morgan Stanley is doubling down on Tesla stock, presenting a contrasting view. Other analysts have set price targets ranging from a very bearish $115 to a bullish $470 for the next year. There's even discussion about whether Musk's political involvement is affecting the brand. Now let's see if the charts can show us a clearer picture. Here on the daily chart, we can see Tesla's price action over the past year. We experienced a high near $488 near the end of 2024, followed by a significant decline. Currently, we're trading around $276. Let's narrow in on a more recent time frame to see what's been happening lately. Looking at the daily chart from early February 2025 onward, we see a series of up and down movements, with no clear sustained trend. There was a sharp drop in early March followed by a rally in early April and now sideways action. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view of the recent price action. On the 1-hour timeframe, we can observe the intraday volatility and attempt to identify potential support and resistance levels. If we focus on the past few days, from May 5th onward, we see choppy trading. There was a dip on May 5th and a slight recovery since. Let's zoom in on the last few hours of trading today to see what's happening in finer detail. Switching over to the 15-minute chart, we get an even closer look at the immediate price movements. Here, we can see more clearly the support level around $271 and resistance around $278. The price has been fluctuating within this range. The negative news surrounding Tesla may be contributing to the lack of upward momentum, while the Morgan Stanley endorsement might be providing some support. A break below $271 could signal further downside, while a sustained move above $278 might indicate a potential rally. In summary, here are the key levels to watch: immediate support around $271 and resistance at $278. A break below $271 could lead to a test of lower support levels, possibly down to the $260 range. If the price can break above $278 and sustain that level, we might see a push towards $285. Given the current mixed sentiment and news flow, my unbiased prediction is sideways movement is the most likely. Keep an eye on upcoming news events, particularly regarding Tesla's sales figures and any announcements from Elon Musk, as these could provide the catalyst for a breakout or breakdown. As always, remember to do your own research and manage your risk accordingly. Thanks for tuning in to Explain the Charts.